Alright, as you guys can see behind me, we are in front of Epcot right now, and this is day 3 at Disney. We're going to travel the world, we're going to see what's going on, we're going to take you on a tour with us as we go around Epcot. If you haven't seen any of our last videos, definitely click the links in our bio, or actually the links that are flashing on top. Because we've so far been to Animal Kingdom, we've also went to Hollywood Studios, but let's take this ride. Alright, so we've been here at Epcot for about 2 hours now. We went to the land, we had breakfast, now we're waiting for Finding Nemo. How's it been so far, Lola?
Good.
What's your favorite part so far of being at Disney? Epcot. Let's try this Finding Nemo ride at Epcot.
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go.
What if Nemo's swimming out the sea?
Oh, don't worry, just keep your eyes open for him.
I'm playing games. Games? I love games.
Marlin,
Nemo, give me some fish! Noggin! Dude!
Reached Canada, so if the sound quality is a little bad, I'm sorry, I'm using the GoPro. But we just reached Epcot and hit Canada. Now we're going to swirl around with, our goal is to get to Morocco so we can go see Princess Jasmine, but I don't know how it's gonna work. Oh yeah.
Pork belly and then seafood stew.
Thank you very much. That actually looked really good. I'm about to. Now I'm in Brazil with the pork belly and beans. Now we're in Japan.